Hi, I am Kiran, ERP Customer Support Executive at VGESPL, Vishwakarma Global Education Service Private Limited in EduPlus campus. So basically it is a ERP system for colleges and higher institutes. It helps the institutes such as the colleges, universities and technical institutions to manage their entire campus academics and the administrative operations. Along with this, we have developed the TPO model for campus placements. So where we can have all the information about the companies and a student placement record, student internship record, and it is also going to help the students to track, to manage the student person as well as the academic information for placement as well as for the internship or for both placement and internship point of view. So this TPO model is basically helps to generate the various statistical records, or we can say the reports. On the student end, if we observe, the student can monitor and check his or her placement and the internship status continuously. So now we will see all the three roles of the TPO model one by one. There are three major roles of the TPO model: TPO role, student role, and admin role. If you go to the URL and if you type the credential, do the login, you will observe the two roles, as I said, TPO role and the admin role. So first we will explore the TPO role. So inside the TPO role, there are various roles has been assigned to the TPO, means to add the company and the TPO masters. Next, company scheduling. They create criteria for the company, define the selection procedure for the company on campus status. Similarly, to generate the various reports such as the TPO registration report, placement reports, placement overall report, placement dashboard. Next, question bank, where student has shared his views about the company round or for the company. Those will be reviewed by the TPO, and after reviewing, those questions will be visible to the next batch students. So this is all about the TPO role. Now we will discuss on the admin role. So in the admin role, admin has the admin masters. Admin can assign a role to the users. For example, you can select the user. Admin can select the user, assign the different role to the user. Next, it also has the facility to import, to add the bulk data related to the modules such as the department module, employee module, feedback questionnaires module, program module, learner module, TPO program, and the year. It also has the facility to add the role links. So whatever the links which are available in the dashboards will be make visible or the active by defining their status. So here if you observe, the add master, assigned role to the users, imports, all are visible because their status are on here. Next, it also admin role also has a facility to define the TPO coordinator for the organization. Similarly, from here we can add the different practice website. So this is all about the TPO role and the admin role. Detailed explanation about the TPO role and admin role will be given in the upcoming videos. Now we have seen the TPO role and admin role. Now we'll move toward the student role. If you go to the student side, define the URL, enter the URL, enter the credential of the students, do the login. Here, this is the dashboard of the students. The dashboard has the different roles such as fill the profile by entering his personal details address, academics, internship and project records, skill certificates and so on. Next, do the TPO registration, maybe placement, internship or placement and internship both. See the scheduled companies, and if he is interested, he can apply for the company. After applying, the student can check the track record by clicking on the track result, and he can also observe the selection procedure of the company. Next, student can add the questionnaires. Student can give the views about the company rounds or the company, which is visible at the TPO side. So detailed explanation about the student role also given in the upcoming videos. Thank you.